Hi, this is Kristen, and this is my Module 5 reflection. And number one, what were your three favorite websites you examined in this module? And my first favorite one was For Teachers, and I kind of looked at that, and I looked at like how you could make quizzes or how you could make a calendar for your kids to see and the different activities that are going on or like the homework that they're assigned and the different lesson plans that you can make on there. And so I really like that website. I didn't put my email in, but I'm pretty sure you just subscribe or you put your email in and you make a login and then you can use that and everything's free on there. And so I thought that was a cool website and it had a lot of different things. My second favorite one was Kia, and that's where I made the activities, and I had a lot of fun making those. I made a math battleship game, where you have to hit the ship, and then in order for the ship to actually get hit, you had to answer a math question. And then my second game was Hangman, and I used vocab words from Charlotte's Web, and so they had to guess those words, and I had like hints on there. And so I liked Kia. I liked the different activities that you could make. I liked the you could make your calendar and your lessons plans on there. And so that was my second favorite one, and then my third favorite one was Brain Pop, and I liked how the site was animated, and then I liked how they had different stuff for all the subjects. So like I went to the math subject, and then it had like different components of math, and I clicked on algebra, and it had like a video, and then it had like quizzes, and like you can make your own video, and then it had some games, and so I liked that. And I looked at the subscription for that, and that was like $150 so like you click on classroom, and then you would click on, like me, I would do K through 5, and that would be $150. And like say you wanted to do 6 through 12 or something, then that would be another $150, I'm pretty sure. So I thought that was expensive, but as a teacher, I think it would be very useful to use in the classroom. So I would definitely consider using that. And so those are my top three. And I mean, when you're a teacher, you're going to be spending money on like subscribing to a lot of stuff because it does help you with your lesson plan. So I would consider the cost, and I think it would be worth the expense. Number two, describe your experience using Kia. Like I said, I had a lot of fun making those activities. Did the battleship and the hangman, and I always loved doing those things as a kid. I think it helped me remember stuff a lot easier, and so especially with my age group, third grade, I think it would be really helpful, and I could see myself using that later on. And then the last one, searching the OER repositories. I would definitely use these, especially I really hope that we continue to stray away from the textbooks because they are so expensive. And I hope that they do start implementing them in colleges and stuff like that. Because if we have the internet and all of the information's on the internet, I just don't see why we don't use it, especially when we're implementing technology more and more in the classrooms. So I would definitely use those. There was a lot of information. I looked at a lot of lesson plans, different activities. Like I looked at a history activity for the civil rights movement. Some of them had notes, and then it had like a video that you could show in your classroom. It just made it a lot easier. Had all the information on one, or the curriculum, and then you could put your lesson plan together. So I would definitely use those, and as a teacher. And I really hope we stay away from textbooks because they're so expensive. That's all I have. Thank you.